Hello, Namaskar. This is Neeraj Vitale, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is 31st of December. अभी कुछ 2:30 हो रहा है, and we are going to London. So let's go into the new year. So I have boarded the train to London, and from Luton to London it takes around, I think, 1 hour. It's showing today, and it takes around 17.20 pence for a return ticket. If you take a single ticket, it's 17.10. So it's just 10 pence difference, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, so it's better to take a return ticket. That's what I have done. I can come back tomorrow by 4 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, that's about it. Let's. Okay, so I have got down at St. Pancras International, and from here I have to take underground, and then I'll reach Hyde Park. So the underground goes that side, but I'm just going out here to see the lighting. Okay, so I've reached here. Behind me is Winter Wonderland, and I'm just waiting for one of my friends to come. As soon as he comes, we'll leave. So this is my highly talented classmate and friend.
Hello.
This is Soumya Vemma from Chennai. Soumya, what do you want to say to the people in Chennai who want to come here? Say it in your language.
Say it in my language. Okay, so எல்லாரும் உங்களோட ஹோம்ஒர்க்கை கரெக்டாக பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் 5 years down the line நீங்கள் எங்கே இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை பொறுத்து இஃப் இட் இஸ் சூட்டபிள் ஃபார் யுவர் கெரியர் ஸோ யூ கேன் டேக் அ டெசிஷன். அவ்வளோதான் நான் சொல்லுவேன்.
This is from Soumya Vemma himself. So I think what he said is 5 years, if you plan for 5 years or something.
Yes.
For career,
then
then
you want to see yourself in 5 years based on that.
You should go in HR, Soumya. we've been around the Winter Wonderland and we ate a lot and drank a lot. That's why we don't feel like sitting in any of the rides because I'm very scared of rides. He wanted to go, but then I'm not even sure about if I'll be fine. I feel very sick when I sit in rides, and these all rides seems actually like horrible and terrible for me. So let's see. Now we are about to leave. So yeah, we'll just leave now. They should have something for me. Oh my god, what an experience. So we just came out of Winter Wonderland and we had few plans, but we were still thinking what to do and what not to do. And he said, Somya said that there's this Regent Street and Oxford Street and all of these streets where you have like pretty lightings and all of that. So like most of the YouTubers come this side, I guess. So he said, let's just come and then I'll get maybe nice videos and nice view and all of that. And on our way, when we were coming by the double-decker bus, suddenly he told me that, oh, there's this ISKCON temple. He told me a few days back, and he was like, oh, there's this ISKCON temple that he went to, and they have like a puja, aarti, around 9 p.m. and it was just about 8:55 and just 5 minutes to 9, right? So we were like so you say blessed, or I don't know what, but it was just very good timing, I would say, that we got to come at the, like we got to attend the puja just about the right time. And I just love the entire spiritual, the energy, the vibe that this ISKCON temple London had. So I don't know, it feels like maybe this was like, kind of destined that I was supposed to come here, and it just happened that on the New Year's Eve. So feeling blessed. And now let's see, Somya's just gone to the washroom. He'll be back and then we'll decide what to do next, because now we are just full of so positivity, and I'm already ready to start this new year. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!